Hi, Olivia. Are you excited about our trip tomorrow?
Absolutely. I've been looking forward to it for weeks.
Me too. Have you packed everything?
Almost. I still need to pack a few clothes and my travel documents.
Don't forget your passport.
Of course not. It's the most important thing.
What time is our flight?
It leaves at 9:30 in the morning.
Then we should arrive at the airport at least 3 hours early,
I agree. Airports can be very busy.
especially during the holiday season.
That's true.
How are you getting to the airport?
I'll take a taxi.
That's convenient.
What about you?
My brother is driving me there.
That's nice of him.
He's always willing to help.
Have you traveled abroad before?
Yes, a few times.
Which country was your favorite?
Japan. It was clean, safe, and very organized.
I've always wanted to visit Japan.
You should. It's an amazing place.
Maybe someday.
What are you most excited about on this trip?
I want to explore new places and try local food.
Same here.
Traveling is a great way to learn about different cultures.
I completely agree.
We have arrived at the airport.
Great. Let's check in.
Excuse me, where is the check-in counter?
It's straight ahead on your left.
Thank you.
Here it is.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you.
Is there any baggage limit?
Yes, one checked bag and one carry-on bag per passenger.
That's perfect.
Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you very much.
Have a pleasant flight.
Thanks.
What's next?
We need to go through security.
I hope the line isn't too long.
It doesn't look too bad.
That's good.
Do you have any liquids in your bag?
Just a small bottle of water.
You may need to throw it away.
Really?
Yes. Airport security has strict rules.
Good thing you told me. We made it through security.
Now we can relax.
Let's find our gate.
Our gate is B12.
We still have an hour before boarding.
Would you like some coffee?
Sure.
Let's sit near the window.
I love watching airplanes take off.
Me too.
Attention passengers. Flight 205 to New York is now boarding.
That's our flight.
Let's go.
I'm excited.
Me too.
The flight was comfortable.
Yes, it was.
What should we do first?
Let's get our luggage.
I see the baggage claim area.
There are our bags.
Perfect.
Now we need to get to the hotel.
Should we take a taxi?
That's probably the easiest option.
Excuse me. How much does a taxi to downtown cost?
Around $30.
That's reasonable.
Let's go.
This city looks beautiful.
It really does.
Look at those buildings.
They're impressive.
I can't wait to explore.
Neither can I.
We've arrived at the hotel.
Great.
Welcome to our hotel.
Thank you.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes. It's under Michael Carter.
Let me check.
Sure.
Yes, I found your reservation.
Wonderful.
May I see your passport?
Here it is.
Thank you.
What time is breakfast served?
From 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Perfect.
Here are your room keys.
Thank you very much.
The room looks fantastic.
It's better than I expected.
The view is amazing.
Look at the skyline.
It's beautiful.
Are you hungry?
Definitely.
Let's find a restaurant nearby.
Good idea.
Good evening. Table for two?
Yes, please.
Right this way.
Thank you.
What would you like to order?
I'd like to try a local dish.
Me too.
Are you ready to order?
Yes.
I'll have the grilled chicken.
I'll try the seafood pasta.
Excellent choices.
The food is delicious.
I agree.
Traveling always helps me discover new foods.
That's one of the best parts of traveling.
Absolutely.
What would you like to do tomorrow?
I'd like to visit some famous attractions.
That's a good idea.
We should take lots of photos.
Definitely.
I want to remember this trip forever.
Me too.
This has been a wonderful day.
It certainly has.
I'm glad we decided to travel together.
So am I.
Traveling creates unforgettable memories.
That's true.
I'm already looking forward to our next adventure.
Me too.
Well, we should get some rest.
Good idea.
Good night, Michael.
Good night, Olivia.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.